What's up, superstars? Back with another video. You got Superstar Rob, and you got Superstar Nation. How you guys doing? Oh man, beating me up every single day. You guys haven't already, don't forget, become a superstar. Smash the subscribe button. Join the Superstar fam. Hit the bell notification button to get every single video, every single day. We do not miss. We're here for you every single day. Also, to our Superstar VIPs, tune in a month to start beside your name, access to spreadsheets, giveaways. You can reach out to us at any time on X, Instagram, or Discord. You can talk to us in the Discord below. Join the rest of Superstar Nation. Lots of conversations in the X. We got, of course, longtime fans always hitting us up, giving us good feedback, bad feedback. Always feel free to reach out to us and talk to us. We do have open door policy. Also, we got the Superstar Utility Program. If you become a VIP member, you'll be automatically enrolled with stars every single month, depending on what ranking you are in the VIP membership. And at the end of the month, we're going to do giveaways. You might be able to win some pretty cool prizes. We are Cryptoys ambassadors. So if you mint with our Cryptoys and you let us know, you got to let us know. Then what we would do is we were going to give you up to 7 stars if you max mint at 5. If you buy 5, you're going to get 7 stars. If you buy 1, you get 1 star. If you buy a hat, you're also going to get 3 stars for doing that. And every month, we're going to roll over 50% of the stars so that if you don't win this month, you have a chance at the following month. We're rolling right now NFT project that's going to have 3-month utility. We're planning to do it at the beginning of the year, January, February, March. You can win these very, very cool physical fanny pack, which we're going to give away. We also have other prizes as well, both digital and physical. We did a video on this. If you want to check out our video from the past. I think it was beginning of December or the end of November, talking about the Superstar mystery boxes. So check out that video. And we're going to this is going to ramp up really, really soon. We want just to roll it out to see how much sell out by the end of the month. I think we're at like 137. So we'll see. We'll use the 137 and we'll do prizes with that, with those sales, and 50% of the sales will go back into the Starboys holders' pockets. So we want to make sure Starboys holders continue to receive utility from our channel. We do like having a lot of fun with the utility. We thought this would be a pretty cool idea in terms of paying back half of the proceeds from this NFT project to Starboy holders. So I don't know. What do you guys think about that? I hope you guys had a wonderful Boxing Day. That I believe both had everybody had a relaxing holiday season. Merry Christmas to everybody who celebrated yesterday. Really, really good vibes. I hope you guys had a good time with your families, your friends, whoever you celebrated with. And hopefully over time, we can continue to build more of those moments. And maybe, who knows, maybe in the future, I maybe got Chico Joe's video, but is this the last Christmas like this? Maybe in the future, we're going to see new things with digital collectibles being integrated into some of this stuff. There was not a lot of news today. It's going to be a short video, but Mcfarlane Digital did roll out a brand new update. It's called the Christmas Tree Theme Village. I'm going to get back. This is going to be the theme of the video. I just want to mention one more thing. Big shout out to Superstar Steve, who had his Juju in his fantasy. He won. He has the winnings. He says he's going to go buy some Cryptoys cubes, and he cannot forget the Flick Play app as well. Superstar Steve is our spirit ambassador. Great, great guy. And he's doing a great job here. Congratulations. The Juju was with you. Superstars doing superstar things. Good win there. And tomorrow, it's confirmed we are going to have a spaces. We're going to have Truth Labs. I don't know how much you guys know about Goblin Town. Really interesting story over there on Goblin Town. I think it's going to be a really, really great discussion. Please ensure that you join us tomorrow for a great time, great spaces with Will, great guests as well. We had Luca Nets from Pudgy Penguins last time, and now we're going to have the founders from Goblin Town. And there's a really, really good message from their story. Those are the ones that had the NFTs with the middle finger, as you guys remember. Also, again, as we mentioned earlier in the video, we are Cryptoys ambassadors. You can use our link below if you want to support the channel. And if you let us know, we'll assign you stars at the end of the month to perhaps win some pretty cool prizes. Okay, so let's pull out what Sergio posted here. He said, new Christmas-themed village debuts on Mcfarlane Toys. You can now display your Batman and Superman 3D collectibles inside a Christmas-themed village. They've also added Christmas decorations and accessories at no additional cost, which is very, very cool. Mcfarlane Toys quietly launched a Christmas Village 3D digital environment where you can display all your collectibles from the platform. I checked it out, and I am very impressed with it. It's much bigger than what I anticipated. You could walk down multiple paths and encounter snowmen, numerous shops, and view Christmas decor all throughout as snow falls from the sky. It's truly an immersive experience. The new outdoor Christmas Village, if you look at some photos here, I guess he keeps going on here, but you got to download the viewer app. It does require you to do an update. So make sure you do go and re-download it from the website so that you can update the app. And they have all sorts of Christmas decoration accessories, which everybody has access to. So if you take a look, I'm just going to make this big here because it's very, I mean, the app is very boggy for streaming. So maybe on another video, I can go in there when everything's kind of downloaded and so you guys can check it out. But you can see here images of the Christmas village, very good quality, really, really good quality. I'm wondering what town or city, or if it's even, inspired by another town or city, but looks like pretty decent quality. You've got the Christmas tree there. You got the snowman there. You can walk around. You got the lamps. And of course, you can see the showroom itself with the doors open. I think that's the key thing. The doors are open. You don't usually, it's been a long time since the doors are open. You got the chairs there. So I know we got Rich, for example, who's big into Mcfarlane, doing kind of cool stuff with that. I wonder if he's going to come up with pretty cool things. I'd like to see that. I mean, they didn't really hype this up too much before this got released. They didn't really spend too much time talking about how they were going to do this. And I think we're going to see more and more of these. I think Mcfarlane Toys, we really like the platform because of its interoperability. You do own these. There are your assets. They're in your wallet. I think Mcfarlane Toys has a lot of potential to build on that. And they have a lot of potential to use this to their advantage. They can create mini gamification within their own kind of environment. I think maybe a light gamification we might be able to see with them. They can do, I don't know if we're going to see a metaverse in here, if this is kind of leading up to an interactive social experience where, me and somebody else on the platform can join in on it. I think that would be pretty interesting if they can build on that. They seem to be making some pretty good progress with this platform, and they seem to have some pretty decent quality as well. So I don't know. What do you guys think about this? Like, make sure you download it. I mean, I have it. Like, okay, we'll give it a shot. Okay, so let me come here, right? So you can see in here. I'll just walk around. It's been a while since I've used this, but let's make it bigger. Hold on. Oh, no, that doesn't work. Yeah, sorry guys. Anyways, let's look around here, right? So you can come around. I know it's a little bit laggy on your end, but we'll just have to keep like this for now. You come in the showroom over here. Got the Christmas lights everywhere. Yeah, I'm in a garage. I guess this is where I can keep my Batmobile, all Christmas themed. I think they opened this a while ago when they had the Batmobile. Let's keep looking around. You can see outside, there's a snowman outside. Jumping around here. Got some Christmas presents. Got the tree. Got over here. Very cool fireplace. Little Easter eggs we got. Look at that little reindeer on the reindeer on the mug. Nice gingerbread house. What cool presents you guys have for me? What does it say? Can't really read it. Let's look around here like this. Kind of tough to read. Take a look downstairs. See what's downstairs here. Oh, 1 second. Let's go around. There we go. Not too much decorations down here, but they did a very good job, I guess, with the railing decorations. I don't know about you, but my house is exactly like that as well. So I mean, overall, pretty cool. Let's take a look over here. I don't know how long. Oh, it loaded pretty quick actually. Let's walk around. It's a big space. It's a very big space. So this might be distracting. Let me just kind of minimize this. There we go. All right. Let's take a look. All right, dead end. Got some nice little homes. It's nice, well lit. It's nighttime over here. Look at the stars. Look. Oh, blocks me. But look at those stars. You know how much we love the universe here, guys. The snow is gently falling. Got a nice little hot dog stand with the snowman. It's actually pretty big. Let's keep walking around. It's actually pretty big considering they built a really nice area. They have plans for sure with this. They must have plans with this. This cannot just be something to walk around in for now and that's it. They are definitely building on this. They got plans. Just keep going. You can make some pretty cool Christmas scenes with it too, if you're interested. Let's keep going. Oh, got a snowman over here. What's this guy doing? He wants to keep me away from the presents. Maybe that's the gamification. Go looking for some presents, right? Not confirmed though. Let's take a look over here. All right. I'm at the other end now. I think that's it. So we got 3 streets, a couple alleyways. I don't know if I missed anything on this side. Got a reef over there. Yeah, I don't think I missed anything here. Pretty cool. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, do you think? Like, let's speculate a little bit. What do you think Mcfarlane has planned? What do you think they have planned with this? Are they building into something new and exciting that we're going to see? Are they actually working on a metaverse that maybe we will be able to leverage and take advantage of as well soon. I'm excited to see what they have in store for us. Obviously, they're building kind of quietly. We'll continue to keep track of them, see how they do on 2024. Before you go, leave a comment. If you haven't already, don't forget to become a superstar, smash the subscribe button, join the superstar fam, hit the bell notification, get every single video every single day. And also to our VIPs, thank you guys so much. Appreciate all your support. Take care. We'll see you next one. Bye-bye. Love you.